Hello, this is Leon Jimenez from Phoenix Home Guru. This is my favorite part. This is the third of 8 steps to buying a new home, and this is searching for a home. This has changed dramatically over the years. I mean, the difference between what it used to be and what it is now is incredible. It used to be that I would find the homes for you and then put them in front of you and convince you that these are the homes for you, and we'd go out and look at them, and you'd never see a picture beforehand. That shows you how long I've been in the business. Now, the highest likelihood is that you will actually find the home online yourself first, normally through a portal that I give you. Now, portal is basically a way that we give you real-time access to the listings as they come up. Hugely important in this market. As the days on market gets a little longer, it becomes less important, but it's important that those gems, those great homes, they don't last on the market very long. So you have to be quick to be able to see those homes and put offers on them. So the search is now almost always started online. So you basically will look through, you'll give us the criteria, or through our conversations and looking at your goals and your lifestyles and what makes life worth living for you, we come up with recommendations of areas and places that would resound for you, and we start a search that will email you every morning new homes and homes that are available. Once we do that, we start aggressively looking. Now, depending on the market is how much you look. That you can't sit there on in a seller's market. In other words, where the houses go in 2 or 3 days, the good ones do. You can't sit there and look at the entire market, come back, expect that beautiful home to still be there. It almost never is. So depending on the market, a good realtor is going to give you guidance on how much to search. So we really are aggressive in getting out there and searching for those homes, and really getting out there and seeing a bunch of homes and giving you perspective. Say you're new into town. This is where I kind of shine, because I try to take a macro to micro approach to showing you homes, because you don't know the neighborhoods, you don't know what's happening here. So what I do is I will spend a full day roaming all of the Phoenix metro area that fits your needs, and then we find a neighborhood, and then the next day we come in and we just narrow down on that neighborhood, find the house. So it's important that you know what neighborhoods are good for you and your lifestyle and what you want. What's close to work, what's close to all the things that you are looking for. And we'll ask you so many questions it'll seem a little bit excessive, but the more we know about you, the more we can cater this market to you, because we have been at this market since 2000 and we know the neighborhoods. Both Adrienne and I have been new home salespeople, and we've sold all through the valley. You know, from Queen Creek all the way over to Festival Foothills. We have sold these neighborhoods, so we know them pretty intimately. So it's important to get in there and just hit it. For those of you that are thinking of doing this without a realtor, please don't. It doesn't. We do not charge on the buyer side anything. So consequently, it is a fool's errand to try to come out and do this on your own. You're not going to save money, and you're basically it's like going into court without your own counsel. You really want to have a professional on your side. And you really want to have our proprietary search tools and our up-to-the-minute information to be able to compete in this market. We'll go into some extreme detail on how we find the good homes and what have you, and how we deal with the offer process in our next video. And that is actually pretty impactful, especially on the buyer side, how we are able to engage the other agent on a positive level. So make sure you like, subscribe, make comments below. We'd love to have any info on what you think about this. If there's anything that you disagree with, we'd be glad to discuss it with you. This is Leon Jimenez from Phoenix Home Guru. Catch you next time. Thank you.